Okay, so now let me show you how to embed this pop-up form on our website. So now this is how the pop-up form look like. The status is on, so that means it is active, and the double opt-in is not on because we do not need double opt-in. You can edit the behavior here and you can change all of this if you want. So now the behavior of the pop-up form is that it is going to show up 5 seconds after being on the page, and we have the JavaScript here. So now they've put in the instruction in here. So now we need to look for the head tag of our website, and we need to insert this code into the head tag of our website. So that means you're going to look for where you can find the head tag, or some people call it, some websites call it header code. So you need to look for where you can find that on your website, and you need to insert it. So all I'm going to do is just to copy this code. Okay, so I'm going to copy the code into the header code, and yeah, when I paste the code in here, I'm going to click on save, and that is going to save my header code for my website. Remember that this is the general code for my website. Then I'm going to go to the page where I want this pop-up form to show up, and I'm going to go to my edit page. So I'm going to use this one. Let me use this page, home page, and I'm going to, yeah, the code is already in here, but let me just cancel this. So I'm going to paste the code here, and as you can see, the code has been pasted in the header code, also for the page code. Remember that that one was for my general website page, the general website, while this one is for this page code. And when I click on save, and that has been saved, and I go into the edit content of my on my website, the home page, and I click on, let me just change something. Yeah, so just in case you are using other tools like Wix, like WordPress, you just need to copy that code that we got from MailerLite, and you need to paste it in the header page or the header code of your main website, and you can come into the particular page. You remember that there are pages, different pages, your home page, your services page. You need to paste the header code on that page also. So we've pasted it on the header code of this page, and we're just going to click on publish. But before we click on publish, let me show you how to do the second one also. So when we go back to MailerLite and we click on the show on click event, so we want this pop-up to show up as a button also. So when we click on copy this code, we can go back into our website here, and we can paste this code. Let's say we want to paste this code here. So we click on add elements, and we click on code snippets. Remember that we are still using code snippets, and we can also use the pop-up here. Let me cancel this so I show you. So I can click on add snippet, and when I click on add snippet, I can use pop-up. Let's name this pop-up 333, and we click on OK, and we are going to be adding this code that we got from here. We're going to be adding it into those sites. So let's just click on this, and when we click on this, we can now click on OK, and that has added the code on the page of the website. So now when I click on publish of this page, I should be able to see both the what's it called, the button, and also the pop-up form. So let's wait for like 5 seconds on this page. The pop-up form should show up. As you can see, it showed up immediately, like after 5 seconds. So now they can be able to fill out this pop-up form. And remember that because we're using a free account, we cannot be able to remove this MailerLite branding, but when we upgrade to a paid account, we can then remove it. So now, as you can see, this is our pop-up form, and they can fill in the form, and when they fill in this form here, it is going to sync back into MailerLite, and you can click on cancel here. Let's try it out. So let's see, let's add in an email. Let's say this is Emma at gmail.com, and the name is Glory. My last name is Ferry. I'm just adding anything. So I just click on join now, And when I click on join now, as you can see, this is this success page that is going to show up on your pop-up form. So now they can click on cancel when they are done, and as you can see, this is the button to show up the form. So you can also click on the button here. As you can see, it is saying that I have joined the form, but in case I have not joined, they can also be able to click on that button, and it's going to take them also to the pop-up form. So that is how to add the pop-up form in MailerLite. So let's refresh this page and let's see if there is any nobody coming in. So when you go to analytics, as you can see, one subscriber has been collected, and that is because I just filled out my name on that form, and it has collected my details. So now I can also see the number of times this pop-up form has shown up, and I can see the visitors, the subscribers, and as you can see, it is showing me as a subscriber the information I just filled in from the pop-up page on my website. So it is actually very simple. How to embed this pop-up form is simple. You just need to get the header code of your website, just paste the code into the header code of your website, and the header code should also be on your the particular page you want this pop-up form to show up. So the header code of both pages should be added. Yeah, I hope that's not confusing. Just follow this step by step and you are definitely going to get it. So that is how to add pop-up form into our website. Okay, so before you go, I would like to tell you something very important. We all know email marketing is great and useful for your business, but one thing you should also realize that if you do not set up the system properly in your MailerLite account, it can lead to a lot of hazard, and you do not want that. And that is why CRM Instructors is planning to come in by giving out free slots for discovery call. So if you would like to book your free discovery call so that we can be able to take a look at your MailerLite account, or so we can be able to set up your email marketing strategy, you can book the link in the description below. And when you set up this call, we are going to help you with your email marketing strategy in your MailerLite account. And also, do not forget to like this video and also share with everyone that you think might need this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that you are going to get notified anytime we post a video like this. And also, I will see you in my next video. Bye.